Hey, we're Sam and Sarah. We own a handmade pottery business called Coastal Clay Co. We moved from Connecticut to Florida about 1 year ago, and we got a bigger pottery studio, and we were trying to build up our business, and for some reason after Christmas our wholesale sales died down a lot. We didn't really know what to do. We found Dylan's course online. We've had an Etsy shop for a few years, but we didn't know how to get it going really. It was just small sales numbers here and there. But we were like, I guess this is the time to jump in. So we did an initial call with Dylan to talk about our business, and she asked us what we wanted to make. So we just said two numbers. The first was kind of lower just to supplement our income, which we said would be amazing. And then the second number we said would be life-changing. Yeah. And what did we do the first month after?
That first month, we 3 times the month before. So that was just with the course. And then in March, we decided to just go all in. Picked up the coaching program with the course. And this month, we are on track to 20x that first initial month. It's just totally crazy. It's hard to believe.
Surpassed the number that we said would be life-changing. Yeah. I think we've already surpassed it because we've had some sales, like people who found us through Etsy but just came to our studio and bought stuff locally. So it's just been crazy. And the course is so valuable, so much good content. We still haven't worked all the way through it. We're still going through and applying things. But as you're going through it, you questions come up, and it saves so much time to just, instead of trying out different things, oh, that didn't work, try something else. You just ask Dylan, and she gets back to you so fast, and with really clear direction that just saves you so much time, which it's so valuable.
And we've done other coaching programs in all different areas, and no one has this level of access, this level of attention to detail and care for your individual needs and challenges that you're dealing with. It's just, we can't say enough about it.
Yeah.
It's just so great.
We're so thankful, and it really has been life-changing.